In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common login issues on Robinhood using your PC. Whether you're having trouble with your password, not receiving security codes, or dealing with device verification hiccups, this guide will walk you through every step so you can get back into your account securely and with confidence. Let's begin at the very start. Open up your preferred web browser and go to robinhood.com on your computer. Once there, click the login button and enter your credentials as usual. Ideally, you'll be able to sign in without any problems. But if you run into trouble with your password, don't worry. There's a simple fix. Click on the help link, which you'll find near the login area, and select Forgot Password. You'll be guided through the password reset process, which usually involves checking your registered email for a reset link. Follow the prompts to set a new password, then head back to the login page and try signing in again with your updated credentials. Sometimes, even after entering the correct username and password, you might be prompted for a two-factor authentication or 2FA code. If the security code isn't arriving via text or email, don't panic. The login screen gives you the option to resend code. Click that button to have the code sent again. If you've previously saved a backup code or have one written down, you can also select Use Backup Code as an alternative method. Entering your backup code should grant you access if the more traditional 2FA method fails. If you're facing issues with device verification, maybe your computer is being treated like a new device and the process keeps failing. There's another important step you can take. Check your email inbox for a message from Robinhood. Inside, you should find a Confirm New Device link. Click that link and follow any prompts to authorize your computer. Once this is done, try logging in again. Technical glitches are another, all too common problem. If your login still isn't working as expected, it helps to clear your browser cache. Deleting your browser cache removes stored data that might be interfering with the site's operations. Alternatively, try switching to a different browser altogether, such as Chrome or Edge, and repeat the login process from there. You might be surprised how often this resolves stubborn issues. But what if you've attempted all these solutions and you're still locked out of your account? Head back to robinhood.com and navigate to their dedicated support page by clicking the support link. From there, use the search tool with terms like login issues to find help articles specific to your problem. And of course, if you can't resolve the issue on your own, don't hesitate to contact Robinhood support directly. They have systems in place to verify your identity and help you regain access to your account safely. That wraps up our walkthrough on handling Robinhood login problems. Remember, patience and careful attention to each step are key to resolving most login issues. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos if you need help with other financial tools or troubleshooting tips.